Si Alma. Talking some more. Ay, nako. So, make sure if you are going to Philippines, go to the sandy beach. Witnessing the sunset and the sunrise with your someone. So, there's a lot of resorts that, they have a hotel there. Stay there. Enjoy the moment. Charot. Charot talaga. And of course, anoon lang, be happy. Yan. Sabi ni Eddie Russell, ikaw ha? Sige kag talking. Talking is good. Sabi nga nila. Grabe guys. Pawis na talaga yung ano ko, oh. Are you single? Yes, I am single. Single naman talaga tayo. I have in my bio that I am a single mother. Single but may kalabit. Single, right? No? I'm already staying at the condo resort for 20 days. Wow. So it's very nice, right? You will go down walking in the sandy beach. My dream really is like you have to, feel like a child when you are in the beach, guys. You soak your body in the sand, buried it a little bit, because it's a medicine. Salty water or the sea water is a medicine. So that is why you must know. It's like a foot massage there. Foot spa, because it can cleanse the our feet. Maganda. I will do video vlog. Yes, that's right, Vicky. Oh my goodness. Fair, hello. Where are you from? I'm from Davao. Fair. So it's very nice, guys. But in Philippines, I know lots of people wants to go to Philippines, but they're worried about the requirements. But you need to have a back and forth ticket. That's the only thing. Back and forth ticket is very important. So if you want to extend, there's a lot of video you can watch. You can share also, Becky, about the requirements, because a lot of foreigners, like for you are in the Belgium, right? People wanting to know what are the requirements in traveling to Philippines. So it's nice that money, how much money you should need. You have to see a lot in the googling it, like the hotel where you stay. If you have a Filipina, it is very nice because you can take a cheaper rent. Hey, I'm from Brazil, from Fair. I want to learn English. I will subscribe her. Thank you so much, Fair. My English is not very good. Yeah, me too. But you are trying here, guys. Right? You can learn a little. I am not also an expert because my mother tongue is Mandaya, and I know how to speak Bisaya because grow up in a place or there's a lot of Bisaya, and also Tagalog is our national language. So for all the Filipino people in one country, if we speak Tagalog, we all understand each other. So if I speak to Tagalog people with Bisaya language, they won't understand me. So we have a national language which is Tagalog. And why we can speak English? Because since from kinder, primary, nursery, we already have English subject. The phonics, the reading, we have that one in our school. So that is why we can speak English. So, or we can understand, but not all can speak because mostly are they don't go to school or due to so many reasons, guys. So poverty is the reasons of why some cannot go to school, but mostly even there's no school, we don't go to school, we still can. Especially now the modern, the new babies, they knows how to speak English. It's because of the social media. English. Most of my neighbors speak English na, yung mga bata. Marlon, Menooba. What is that? What is that, Menooba? Ano yan? Coffee? Akala ko we're talking about menopause na. Ano ba yan? So, ngayon yan guys.